The future isn't waiting, it's unfolding all around us. From AI-driven workouts to flying bikes and lunar telescopes, we're entering an era where yesterday's sci-fi is today's reality. Let's explore the groundbreaking tech shaping how we live, build, and explore. Growl, the AI boxing coach. What if your personal trainer never slept, never got tired, and always gave you instant feedback? Meet Growl, the world's first AI-powered boxing coach. This futuristic system tracks your movements, corrects your punches in real time, and even hypes you up with a voice-activated mode called Growl mode. Think of it as a smart sparring partner that never blinks. Whether you're a pro fighter or just trying to stay fit at home, Growl creates custom workouts based on your performance. It connects with smart gloves, wearables, and simulates real opponents using virtual sparring. No gym, no problem. Growl transforms any room into a training ground, powered entirely by AI. China's Great Underwater Wall. Beneath the South China Sea, a silent revolution is unfolding. China's Great Underwater Wall is a sprawling defense network made up of seabed sensors, sonar systems, and unmanned submarines. Its mission? To detect and track enemy subs in some of the world's most contested waters. This isn't just about military muscle, it's an underwater surveillance breakthrough. Backed by cutting-edge drones and anti-submarine aircraft, this multi-layered defense strategy is turning the ocean floor into a digital fortress. Welcome to the new frontier of maritime security. ETH Zurich's 3D printed buildings. Forget traditional construction. ETH Zurich is building the future, one printed layer at a time. Their robotic 3D printing system can create complex steel mesh structures that act as both mold and reinforcement for concrete buildings. The result? Stronger, faster, and more sustainable construction. They've even developed mobile robots that can print architectural forms directly on site. With techniques like voxel-based printing and their ultra-efficient eggshell molds, ETH Zurich is proving that construction doesn't need to be slow or wasteful. It can be intelligent, artistic, and eco-friendly. V-22 Osprey, hybrid military aircraft. It looks like something from a sci-fi movie, and it flies like it too. The V-22 Osprey is a revolutionary military aircraft that combines the vertical lift of a helicopter with the speed of an airplane. Using tilt-rotor technology, it can take off vertically, then transition mid-air into high-speed flight. Used by the U.S. Marines, Navy, and Air Force, the Osprey is the ultimate utility vehicle. It carries troops, equipment, and even performs daring rescue missions where other aircraft can't go. With its unique capabilities and futuristic design, the V-22 is changing how we think about aerial warfare. Funin VR, 9D virtual reality entertainment. Step into a whole new dimension, or 9. Funin VR is revolutionizing how we experience entertainment with its 9D VR simulators. From motion-based racing pods to interactive cinema and flight simulators, these systems are built to fully immerse users in virtual worlds. Perfect for theme parks and gaming arcades, Funin VR combines advanced sensors, motion platforms, and stunning visuals to deliver hyper-realistic experiences. Whether you're flying through space or riding a roller coaster, this is VR like you've never felt before. MIT's Innovation Hub. MIT isn't just a university, it's the world's launchpad for groundbreaking tech. From AI that mimics human learning to robotics that push the limits of automation, MIT is where future-defining ideas come to life. It's the birthplace of startups, Nobel Prize winners, and moonshot projects that change the way we live. Inside its labs, students and researchers are building self-driving cars, exploring clean energy breakthroughs, and even working on quantum computing. Every corner of MIT's campus buzzes with ideas that seem impossible until they're not. If the future has an address, it might just be Cambridge, Massachusetts. Next-gen transportation speed race. Faster than a jet, smoother than a train. The race for next-gen transportation is redefining what speed really means. Think Hyperloop pods flying through vacuum tubes at over 700 miles per hour, or hypersonic jets that could take you from New York to Tokyo in under 2 hours. But it's not just in the skies. Electric supercars, magnetic levitation trains, and flying taxis are turning sci-fi into reality. On Earth and beyond, speed is the new frontier, and we're only getting started. Welcome to the era where getting there is the adventure. Foxconn's 3+3 strategy. Foxconn, once known mainly for building iPhones, is now chasing a much bigger dream. Their 3+3 strategy marks a shift toward electric vehicles, digital health, and robotics, powered by three core technologies: AI, semiconductors, and next-gen communication, like 5G. They're not just building devices, they're building the infrastructure of the future. From EVs like the Model C to massive AI server hubs in Mexico supporting Nvidia's chips, Foxconn is reinventing itself as a global innovation leader. Its manufacturing meets moonshot thinking. NASA's Europa Clipper mission. Is there life beyond Earth? NASA's Europa Clipper mission is heading to Jupiter's icy moon to find out. Launched aboard a SpaceX Falcon Heavy, this spacecraft will travel billions of miles to conduct close flybys of Europa, a moon scientists believe may hide a vast ocean beneath its frozen surface. With 49 flybys planned, powerful instruments will scan for signs of water, chemistry, and energy, the key ingredients for life. If the mission finds even a hint of habitability, it could be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. This isn't just a journey through space, it's a quest to answer the ultimate question. Tiny hopping robots. Small size, big impact. These tiny hopping robots are built for one purpose: exploration where nothing else can go. Inspired by insects and animals, they jump across rough terrain, over rocks, gaps, and debris, reaching places wheels or legs can't. Perfect for disaster zones, underground caves, or even distant planets like Mars, these micro-machines are packed with sensors, cameras, and solar panels. Deploy them in swarms, and they become powerful scouts, mapping unknown territory one leap at a time. They're tiny, but their potential is massive. Wind energy tech. Clean, quiet, and constantly improving, wind energy is leading the charge toward a sustainable future. Modern wind turbines are smarter than ever, using AI and advanced sensors to track wind patterns, adjust in real time, and maximize energy output without wasting a watt. Onshore or offshore, these spinning giants are replacing fossil fuels and helping power cities around the world. As the technology becomes more efficient and cost-effective, wind energy is more than just a breeze. It's a powerful force in the global shift to renewable power. 300mm wafer fabrication facilities. You might not see them, but these high-tech microchips are everywhere, from your phone to your car to the AI powering this video. And they're born inside 300mm wafer fabs, the most advanced chip-making factories on Earth. Inside sterile cleanrooms, robotic systems etch circuits thinner than a strand of DNA onto massive silicon wafers. These fabs are faster, more efficient, and far more powerful than older ones, capable of producing thousands of chips in a single batch. It's not just manufacturing, it's engineering the future of intelligence. Lunar Crater Radio Telescope. Far from Earth's noise, on the dark side of the moon, NASA is building something truly extraordinary: a giant radio telescope inside a lunar crater. Using autonomous robots, this massive mesh dish will stretch nearly a kilometer wide, designed to listen to signals from the deep universe. Why the far side of the moon? Because it's completely shielded from Earth's interference. This telescope could detect whispers from the early universe, even before the first stars were born. It's one of the quietest places in the solar system, about to become the loudest in discovery. Volinaut airbike. If Star Wars had a motorcycle, this would be it. The Volinaut airbike is a real-life flying bike, jet-powered and completely propeller-free. Built with ultralight carbon fiber and a futuristic design, it can hit speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour while giving the rider a full 360-degree sky view. A smart onboard flight computer keeps it stable in the air, and its minimalist form makes it look like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. This isn't just a concept, it's a bold leap toward personal air travel. Hover, fly, ride the sky. Inventions tunnel. Imagine traveling between cities in minutes, gliding silently through aerodynamic tunnels in sleek electric pods. The Inventions tunnel could turn that dream into a reality. By drastically reducing air resistance, this tunnel system makes high-speed, low-energy transport not only possible, but scalable. Powered by clean energy and designed with safety in mind, it's a next-level approach to solving traffic congestion and reducing emissions. Think Hyperloop meets luxury rail. The future of inner-city travel could be smooth, silent, and shockingly fast. Autodesk 2024 Showcase. Where creativity meets cutting-edge software, the Autodesk 2024 Showcase highlights how design is powering everything from movies to megastructures. Whether it's animating Ninja Turtles, crafting vehicles in video games, or building futuristic architecture, Autodesk tools like Maya and 3ds Max are leading the way. Studios around the world are pushing the boundaries of storytelling and visualization, blending imagination with technology. This showcase isn't just a reel of pretty pictures, it's a celebration of the limitless power of design in shaping our digital and physical worlds. Space architecture. Living on Mars or the Moon isn't just sci-fi anymore, it's being designed right now. Space architecture is all about creating habitats that can withstand radiation, extreme temperatures, and microgravity, while still being safe and livable for humans. From 3D printed Martian homes made of local soil to inflatable space stations, engineers and architects are rethinking how we build beyond Earth. As humanity gears up for long-term missions and off-world colonies, space architecture becomes our blueprint for survival in the cosmos. SpaceX's Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built, and it's not just heading to space. SpaceX's Starship is being developed for rapid Earth-to-Earth transport, Mars colonization, and deep space exploration. Fully reusable, built for heavy payloads, and designed to land anywhere, it's a game changer. With test flights already pushing boundaries, Starship represents a massive leap in space access and mobility. It's not just about going farther, it's about making space travel routine, affordable, and sustainable. Buckle up, the stars are calling. From robots on Earth to rockets beyond it, the future is unfolding faster than we ever imagined. These 20 innovations aren't just ideas, they're shaping the world as we speak. Which one blew your mind? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic discoveries.